Hello, welcome to the first lesson of our new series of health sciences coming to you from the Class Private School. Today we will speak about emotional health. If you remember guys, we spoke in the first semester about the 4 dimensions of health. And we said that, and we mentioned that emotional dimension was one of them. Today, let's know what do we mean by the emotional health. The emotional health the emotional health refers to how people feel about themselves and their ability to manage their feelings as they deal with the challenges in life. Now, there are many things that we need to take into consideration, and one of them is what are the things that affect emotional health. The first thing that affects the emotional health, guys, is self-esteem. Everything you will understand much better. Now we'll try to take the main points only, and after this we will explain everything in details. So the first point again was self-esteem. The next one is identifying and managing feelings. The third one is recognizing and using coping strategies and being able to resist peer pressure. That means we shouldn't have to sit back and let them hurt us. Instead, we can use different skills and coping strategies to help manage different emotions. This leads us to be able to control our emotions and adjust our mindset and behavior. Let's move to the next point, guys. What is self-esteem? Self-esteem is how the person thinks and feels about themselves. It's an emotional evaluation of yourself. Self-esteem is not about, guys, when you are feeling that you are much better than other people. No, it's not like this. It's not also about thinking that you are perfect. But it's about being happy with who you are and even with your faults. Self-esteem is about valuing and believing in yourselves. Let's move to the next point, guys, which is points to consider. That means points that you need to know. The first point that you need to know in the lesson of today, guys, is it's important to understand your own self-esteem. The next one, having high self-esteem is good for your emotional health. I think you understand this point, guys. That means when a person has high self-esteem, they accept who they are and who they are dealing with. And now they are trying to value themselves at the same time. The next point is don't criticize yourself regularly. As you know, guys, people do criticize themselves from time to time. But if they regularly think badly about themselves, they might have low self-esteem. The next one, and I think the most important in my point of view, which is you have to ask yourself this question, guys. Am I important and do I see value in myself? If your answer is yes, then you may have high self-esteem. And if your answer is no, you might have or you might need to work in your potentials to build your own self-esteem. This is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you need anything, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.